This sounds like paradise. Sequins for everyone. How to show Mindy you love her. Art imitates life. It was a surprise to many ladies. It's a verb now. On new love. On gardening. On sushi dates. On parenting. It's because of Ryan Gosling. The difference between LA and New York. Life advice. Coining new nicknames. Team Crispy. That's all that matters. On hot girls. On Guardians of the Galaxy casting choices. Fixing Gabrielle Reese. On murderers.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.